Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2008 Mercedes Benz C Class. So from any screen, if we go into telephone there, you'll see there at the bottom telephone name, SMS and call list. So if we just knock the selector over to telephone and click the center, you've got telephone list. We'll click telephone list, convenience phone, Barry's iPhone and John's phone. Now I always go to turn this, but you have to pull it back towards you. So that's on the first one, Barry's iPhone, and again, options list comes up on the side of where my phone's listed. So we knock the controller over to options, then select options by clicking the selector, and you've got deauthorize, details, reception volume, transmission volume. So we want deauthorize, that's the top one, but if not, again, you'd have to just knock it back like so, and forward till you get to deauthorize, select deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize Barry's iPhone? Again, you'd expect the natural thing will be to just turn that, but you've got to knock it over. So onto yes, select yes, and that's it gone.